guys, it's Chris again here from Stock Collectibles, and today we're going to be opening our very first booster box on this channel, and this one happens to be a Japanese booster box as well. This is called Matchless Fighters. This is the set they released in Japan. I'm not quite sure how many packs actually come in a box. I believe, let's see if it says, I think it might be 30, but these packs only have 5 per booster box, or sorry, booster pack. There's only 5 cards, and the artwork for these is all about these 3 birds right here. There's an alternate art for Moltres, the Zapdos, and Articuno, and you may also think, why are these guys different? Because these are the Galarian versions, and they were released in the DLC called Crown Tundra. So we're gonna get right into this box opening. Okay, welcome back guys. So this is the booster box. So these are quite interesting because these booster boxes, they open up like this and you can rip these side tabs off right here. I'm not sure what these QR codes do. So this is the booster box. We got it set up to be like a retail box here. We got the little stand. You can rip these side pieces off, but these are the packs. Let's take them out. There's quite a lot of packs in here, which is nice. There's only 5 cards each. We're just gonna put this booster box to the side. So these are the booster packs. This is our first booster box. So these are the packs. This is our first booster box opening on this channel. And this is Matchless Fighters. Here's the pack art for you guys. So you got the Galarian Slow Bro. We got the Blaziken, the 2 Urshifus, the 1 Single Strike, 1 Rapid Strike, the Galarian birds up top. Alright, this is going to be, let's see if we get some first pack magic, guys. First pack magic. These packages are actually, oh, kind of ripped it open like that. So we're gonna go through the first one. It's kind of bright. So we're gonna go through the first one and see where the card is. So we got a Delibird, Cubfu. Forgot this one's name. Is that a Noibat? No, it's not. And we got an uncommon. What is that? That is, I'm not sure what this one is either, guys. So there's going to be a lot of names since I can't read it. Not sure what they are, but we're going to get through this. So I believe it's 1 card. We'll do 1 card. 1 card in the front. Alright, we got this tree. We got this bug. I forget, that's Yanmask. And then this is Scottsdale. Oh, nice. This Pokemon is the Rock Ghost Pokemon. I don't know the name of it, but this is the Rock Ghost Pokemon. I believe that's from the new series, Sword and Shield. Is that Pokemon? So we got Ghost. We got this guy. We got the Cubfu. We got a Heracross. Hitterrain, I believe. Here we go. we got the evolution of Sobble. I think this is Cacture. This. Let's just not butcher the names, but this is a This is a Glaring Farfetch. This is Braverary's pre-evolution form, Scottsdale, and that was it. So no hitters yet, guys. We shall see what we get. We got this Lantern. We got a Sobble that's meditating underneath a waterfall. We got the bird. And we got this guy. This is Thunderous right here. So we got Doug Trio, kind of like ghost form, or kind of going super fast, as you can see, ghosting. Oh, this is cool. This is a Woobat. This is the Braviary. Got this one's name, and oh, we got an Urshifu. Alright, here we go. So this is the person that you talked to in the beginning of the DLC content. I don't remember their name. We got the Lantern Pokemon. We got this Rock Pokemon. We got a Delibird. And we got another one of those guys. What is it? A Yorkie. Oh, here's the Lantern right here. Oops, sorry, there's the one in the front. So we got Rock Dude, got a Lantern. Oh, this guy is talking to a Sobble. We got a Weedle. And there we go, guys. Our first V card. This is a Moltres. This is the Galarian Moltres. This is sweet. So for this Moltres, it's not a fire Pokemon. This one is actually a dark Pokemon. Yeah, so the Galarian versions of these Pokemon are actually different forms. So I believe Articuno is psychic, and Zapdos is actually a fighting bird. Got our one back there. We got this bat. We got this little fluffy guy. We got this Ditto. We got this fighting Pokemon, and we got this trainer. We got some body armor. We got this rock Pokemon again. We got the a Shaman. Very nice. So this is a rare, but it's also shiny as well. That's nice. I think for these booster boxes, you're also guaranteed to get a certain amount of V cards and a certain amount of Vmaxes. I'm not quite sure what that exact number is, but so far we have one V, and I think you at least can get 2 Vmaxes in the box. Oops, I think it was a Claire, a Heracross, a Farfetch, a Surfetch. I think I saw something there, guys. Here we go. And I think this is a this is a Dragavolt. I believe his name is. This is the Electric Dragon Pokemon. I'm sorry if I can't remember all these Pokemon names, guys. It's been a while, and also there's quite a few new Pokemon, and after 151 Pokemon to remember all these, it's quite difficult. I don't know how kids these days remember all these names, but yeah, it's quite difficult. There we go. Sobble. And I think that Pokemon, the baby version or the lower evolution, his name's Scraggy. Is his name? We got Rock Dude, Bats, and our first Vmax, guys. This is the Galarian Slowbro. Oh, wow, this is very, very nice. Look at that. There's also that texturing on the card as well. Very nice. So we got our 2 V cards right now. We got a single Vmax. It's looking pretty good, guys. Here we go, a Sharknado, Tentacool. I think it's a Bulldum. Oh, another one. Oh, this is the VMAX version of this dude. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. Fall for it. This is the Scraggy. I forgot his name. And it's the Heaterine right here. Okay. Ooh, I think I saw something. So we got, I think this is a carnivore? Ooh, there we go, guys. This is the Galarian Articuno. So we just need one more V, which is the Zapdos, and we can have all 3 legendary birds, which will be pretty sweet, guys. So we got a Kakuna. We got a Masked Ghost. This is a Viper. A Weedle, a Tentacruel. Oh, this pack did not open. So we got Surfetched. We got this guy. We got a Weedle. And the Galarian Slowbro V version. Very nice, very nice. I don't know why it's so difficult for me to open cards, guys. These booster packs, I pretty much will destroy every single one of these cards. Heracross. And that guy. Evolved form of Sobble. Got a Surfetched, a Weedle, like a Bulldum guy, and Evolved form of Scraggy. What's nice about these Japanese cards, there's not many cards for one, but getting a booster box, you're almost guaranteed to get V cards and Vmaxes, which is pretty nice to be guaranteed. But because I think if you were just to buy these single like packs of booster packs, it wouldn't be that great, because for you to actually pull a V or a Vmax, and if someone just pulled them and sold the rest, you guys are basically out of luck. You won't be able to get any of them, because out of all these cards, you're not getting much at all. We got a Diglett, we got a Scraggy, we got the Rapid Strike Urshifu. Because opening up this booster box, you're pretty much getting everything except for like the secret rares, which would be like the birds. But you're pretty much getting a bunch of V cards, a bunch of V maxes, and clearly a lot of holos. So we got your armor, we got a Farfetch'd, we got a Doug Trio. Okay, here we go. We got the Ghost Dude, we got Plant Person, Hatterene smaller form, and we got this guy. Did we already? I think we pulled this. No. So there's an alternate version of these. So we got the alternate art of this guy. That's pretty sweet. A Viper, Tentacool, Woobats, and this blue-haired trainer guy. Okay, let's go. Let's see. 3 more packs after this. It's Claire, Cubfu, a Lantern, a Delibird, and a Holo Beedrill. This guy looks like he's straight out of a video game. It's more of like a CGI, 3D animated Beedrill. That's Scraggy. We got the Firebug. We got this Lantern Dude. We got this Chimpanzee and a Kakuna. So 2 more packs, and we shall see what we get. I'm pretty sure we won't get any more VMAXs. I think that's the limit for booster boxes. You get 2 per booster box. But I'm pretty sure you can also get some V cards as well. So got the Braviary, got a Heracross, Scraggy, and then Teleon. Nice. Got this Horn, a Sobble, Diglett. We got this Bug that is spinning like a wheel, and we got the evolved form of it. And that would be it for this opening. So for a quick recap, we got plenty of cards. We're going to take them right here. We got a couple of VMAXs, some Vs, a bunch of holos. So we got this guy right here. We got an Articuno. We got a Moltres. Got him again. I appreciate the alternate art. This kind of looks like this card from this promo Charizard that I really like. I'll show it here right on the screen. It was done for this art gallery, and it's kind of has a similar type of artwork. I'm not sure if it's the same artist, but it looks fairly similar. We got the Galarian Slowbro. You can see that nice texture on him with a bunch of acid oozing all over the place. And we got the Vmax and Galarian Slowbro Vmax. Very nice. All right, so now let's take a closer look. Thanks for watching, guys. That was the unboxing of Matchless Fighters, the Japanese version. And for me, I wish I could say a little bit more because these cards are great, but I really don't know all the name of these new Pokemon. But all we can do is really appreciate the art of these cards. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.